So SRS Labs often describes its technologies as natural or organic sound. What does this mean?
Well, it's an extension of what I just said. We're taking into account the human ear brain, the hearing system, and human perception, and looking at it as a system as it integrates with the mechanical and electrical part of the reproduction system. So it's natural in the sense that we're not just considering the reproduction system in isolation, but we're considering how it interacts and how real humans actually interact with that reproduced audio. Because we perceive reproduced audio in a lot different way than we perceive live audio.